What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a Jasmy update and going over what I think will happen next. And at the end of the video, I will be giving my price prediction for the next bull run. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So we'll start off with some technical analysis. And the first thing you guys will probably notice is that we had Jasmy drawn in a falling wedge. And I drew this in my previous video, where I said falling wedges break up 68% of the time. Now, since that, Jasmy has started to break up. And had you guys taken that trade, you could have made about 8% in a week. Now, obviously that's not great, but a lot of the crypto market did end up dropping. So in my eyes, it's at least better to gain than lose. And if you guys do enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. I have made many profitable calls during this bear market, and I will continue calling out projects that I believe could be profitable in the future, so stay tuned. But as for what I'm seeing right now, the stochastics and the RSI are both getting a little bit overbought. On top of that, if you look at price action, it swings from a higher high to a lower high. If you look at the RSI, it swings from a lower high to a higher high. That is class A bearish divergence. Typically that signals a local top has been reached. Now that could be negated if price action comes up and makes a higher high, but due to how overbought everything is, I don't really see that happening outside of some extremely bullish news for Bitcoin or Jasmy. So what I would be looking for right now is to see if price action comes down and starts to form a little bit of a bull flag. And in doing so, the stochastics and the RSI would hopefully come down and reset a little bit. And you could also be looking for price action to bounce off of the 21-day moving average, as it has now broken back above it, which is a very bullish sign. So overall, in the daily time frame, Jasmy doesn't look too bad right now. In the immediate short term, I might be looking for a little bit of a retracement, but it's good to see we're at least making moves. But keep in mind, at the current moment, Jasmy and the rest of the crypto market are pretty much tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, most will rise. If Bitcoin falls, most will fall. That being said, I want to show you guys Bitcoin in the daily time frame. And here's where things start to get a little bit sketchy. So the first thing you guys need to understand is the drop we had August 17th. I had been calling for a drop for a long time because the 21-day moving average broke beneath the 50-day moving average, which created a death cross. And if you go back in Bitcoin's history, typically when we have a death cross, we drop. Now, there are also a lot of rumors that it was due to SpaceX liquidating their Bitcoin, which is also possible. But the reality is that now we have had another death cross. The 21-day moving average has broke beneath the 200-day. And typically this death cross is even more violent than the previous one. So be very careful. In addition, price action is trading beneath all of the moving averages right now, which is usually very bearish. And personally, I won't be bullish on Bitcoin until it gets back above at least the 21-day, preferably the 200-day moving average. And then the last major bearish indicator is that you could argue Bitcoin is forming a bear flag, which breaks down 68% of the time, and it has a measure move to about 22,300. So I just want you guys to understand Bitcoin does not look great on the daily right now. Now there are a couple bullish indicators. Price action swings from a lower low to a higher low, and a lower low to a higher low. The RSI swings from a higher low to a lower low, and a higher low to a lower low. Both of those are class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. So potentially that allows us to continue trading sideways for a while, which could be good for Jasmy and the rest of the crypto market. But as I stress in all of my videos, you guys need to understand macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF were to get accepted, that could skyrocket Bitcoin, Jasmy, the entire crypto market. But on the contrary, if it gets rejected or something similar to SpaceX liquidating their Bitcoin happens, that could tank the entire crypto market. So just keep an open mind and realize that anything can happen. And now I'm going to go over some of Jasmy's recent news, which could be the reason that Jasmy pumped. So if you head over to their Twitter, which has just under 100,000 followers, they posted August 31st that they have partnered with Kanalabs. And this collaboration aims to expand the Jasmy ecosystem. Kanalabs holds a leading position in the Web3 and blockchain infrastructure industry. It is an innovative company that works actively to decipher the complexities of DeFi and the GameFi ecosystems. Their mission is to make these ecosystems more accessible to both new and existing users and developers. So this is overall just a pretty good partnership to see. And then August 29th, Jasmy partnered with PyLab Technologies. So PyLab, a company pioneering advanced blockchain technologies, as PyLab continues to expand its unique blockchain ecosystem alongside the launch of its mainnet. The Bifrost network, its cross-chain technology, offers an optimal environment for building various applications and provides proactive support for existing Web 2 companies and organizations looking to enter and expand in the Web 3 space. So this will most likely help Jasmy with the Web 3 aspect, which is also great to see. And then last but not least, August 28th, Jasmy posted, "Thrilled to announce that Jasmy is going on a new journey. We are developing our Jasmy chain." Jasmy chain is not just a brand new technological endeavor, it's a further commitment to data transparency, security, and personalized control. A layer 2 solution based on Ethereum. Jasmy chain aims to provide users with more efficient, cost-effective, and secure ways to transact data. Its highly scalable design can handle the rapid growth of future data volumes, ensuring that our community can enjoy a smooth and instant interaction experience while enjoying data sovereignty. And I think this is the most important news, and I believe this is the reason that Jasmy pumped. A lot of people out there have always questioned whether or not Jasmy can actually thrive as an ERC20, but now with the launch of Jasmy chain, it certainly becomes a lot easier. So now, as promised, I'm going to try and come up with an accurate price prediction for Jasmy next bull run. So this is a historical snapshot of November 14th of 2021. This was the height of the 2021 bull market when Bitcoin was around its all-time high, 65,400. So some of these projects down here that I think Jasmy could get close to: Hedera, which was ranked 57th among all cryptocurrencies, and it had a market cap of 3.3 billion. Elrond, which had a market cap of 6.3 billion, and then Algorand, which had a market cap of 12.3 billion. Now, if we go to market cap of, and we start off by comparing Jasmy to the all-time high that it reached itself, which was a market cap of 1.2 billion, then Jasmy would be trading at a price point of 2.5 cents, and that'd be a 6.7x, which a 6x to its market cap all-time high is nothing. There are a lot of projects that are down way more than Jasmy, but the reason I'm showing you this is so you can understand dilution. If you come over to CoinMarketCap and you look at Jasmy's current price at just under 0.4 of a penny, obviously right now its market cap is 186 million, with a max supply of 50 billion and a circulating supply of 48.8 billion, which is 97% in circulation. But if you come down here and look at Jasmy's all-time high, it was $4.99, and it's down 99% since then. And if you look at the Jasmy all-time chart, it looks horrible. It looks like a complete flat line. But the reality is that when Jasmy was up at these price levels, $2, $3, $5, there was significantly less Jasmy tokens in circulation. And you can back that up by looking at the market cap chart. It reached its all-time high based on market cap in November of 2021, which is right here on the all-time price chart. So I just need you guys to understand, Jasmy getting back to its all-time market cap high is not going to put it at $4.99. In reality, it will only put it at 2.5 cents. So just first off, understand dilution. So now if you compare Jasmy to the all-time market cap high that Hedera reached last bull run, which was 3.8 billion, then Jasmy would be trading at a price point of 8 cents, and that'd be a 20.9x. Now to me, this is not too conservative, but it's also not too ambitious. I could certainly see this happening for Jasmy, but I honestly would probably be a little bit disappointed. This to me is more along the lines of if Bitcoin only reaches 60,000, 70,000 next bull run. And next, if you compare Jasmy to the all-time market cap high that EGLD reached last bull run, which was 9.8 billion, then Jasmy would be trading at a price point of 20 cents, and that'd be a 53x. Now this is starting to get a little bit ambitious, but at the same time, I could see a reality where this actually happens. If Bitcoin is indeed trading at $150,000, $200,000 next bull run, then I don't really see any reason Jasmy couldn't reach 9.8 billion, especially given the fact that it's billed as Japan's Bitcoin, plus the data locker technology, which gives power back to the individuals and gives people like me and you the opportunity to make money off of our own data. It has a lot of things going for it. And now the final coin I want to compare Jasmy to is Algorand, which reached a market cap of 13.3 billion, and that would put Jasmy at a price point of 27 cents, which would be a 72x. Now obviously this is an even more ambitious scenario than it reaching the market cap of Elrond, but if you actually think about it, it's not that much higher. 9.8 billion versus 13.3 billion. Again, if this crypto market is as explosive as a lot of people think it could be, then this could absolutely be a reality for Jasmy. But at the same time, I am definitely not saying that it is going to happen. I'm just saying it's a possibility. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.